Welcome back to Technoguia's video. In this video I am going to show you how you can actualize the controls on your PC. The first thing we are going to do is search application AVG driver update. Press in and we can see this information. Okay, the second option, and this application in this carrier. Enter here. In my case, I have the R2 here. This charge, and enter in the first option. We can see I have 11 controls, no auto actualizate. For actualizate, press in this option and continue. Hang on a minute. It's very quite simple. This